In the previous demo, what we did is we used the service designer to create a service template. Now what we're going to do in this demonstration is we're now going to deploy this service. So what we're going to do at this point here is we're just going to come across to our service template designer. We can see we've got everything in place. We'll scroll this down a little bit. We can see we've got the network adapter now connected as well. So what we're going to do at this point here is we're just going to save and validate. Now we've saved and validated, we can see that the little warning message is now gone. So the next thing to do here now is just configure our deployment. So what it does now, brings us into a little wizard. So we're going to call this demo service, and what we're going to do here is we're just going to drop this onto our local group and select the OK button. As we can see now, it just brings us into our little deploy service demo service. So what we've now got, demo service, as we can see here, local group, demo service, release 1, it's specified lon host 2. Yep, we're happy with that. That's based off my load balancing algorithms. So now we've got all of this in place. Next thing to do really is just click deploy service. It's asking us, are we sure we want to deploy the service? Yes, we are. We could view the script at this point if we wanted to. It'll show us the PowerShell script. And what we're going to do here now is we're just going to click deploy. Alright, so this is starting the service deployment task, and as we can see now, what it's going to do now, it's now going to create the service instance. Now what this is actually doing is this is creating a virtual machine. This is going to take about 30 minutes to deploy the virtual machine because the VHD that I'm deploying it from is fairly large. So what we'll do at this point here is we'll just pause the video and return back once the deployment is complete. So what we can see now is the job's finished, so we'll just close here. So, and then if we just come down to our VMs and services, within our VMs and services, if we just have a look at our host 2, which is where we set to deploy the virtual machine, if we scroll down a little bit, what we should find is we should find a machine with a random name because we left it as star in the profile. So we can see that's running. All we'll do now is we'll just open the console to the virtual machine and just verify the virtual machine is up and running. So here's the virtual machine, so let's just type in host name. And there you go, that is the virtual machine, and that's the end of this demonstration of deploying a service. Thank you.